Hi everyone, this is Miss Farwa. Today I'm going to draw an amazing robot on Paint 3D. So let's begin the project. Select new. Here is my canvas. First of all, go to the top of your bar and just select the canvas. From here, then reduce the size from this square, and from the down square in the corner, make the size a little bigger. Now you have to go to the menu. Whatever you want to draw, just take a picture from Google, save it in your computer and insert it in your canvas. So right now I have selected this robot. So I will insert it as a reference so I can see and I can draw. Now I need to make it a little smaller and put it in the corner and just click anywhere so it will be saved. Now reset your canvas, make it a little bigger so it will be visible. Now, this is the robot that I'm going to design today. You have to go to 2D shapes. For the face, select the rounded circle, rounded square, and draw it like this. Now, you need to fix the colors. The fill color will be gray. Let's make a gray robot, and then the line type is actually your border color. Make it the same color that you selected for the face. Now, the face is ready. Just stick it. Remember that you need a space for the hands, so keep that in your mind. Tick, done. Now you have to use another square, but not the rounded corners, just the plain corners like this, and then make a thin neck and then place it, go in the center and place it just down your face. But I need to change the color, so undo it and redraw it. If your shape is locked, then you need to redraw it and undo it. Now I will change the color by going to the fill color option and make it a little darker. Then use the line color, same color like this for the neck. Just keep it in the middle of your face at the bottom, like here. I'm done. You can use your own favorite colors. I'm using a light gray and a dark gray color. Now go back to the rounded shape again and make another shape. Put it just down to your neck and adjust it like this. Now go back to the fill color for this shape and make it gray. Go back to the line type and make it the same gray color. This is done. The body is done. Now we have to make the legs. For that I will use the square again and I will make two legs like this. One. Change the color, use the dark gray color, and then this one also dark gray, the line type. Then make it a little smaller like this, the one that is in the picture. Keep the space for the other leg. Tick. Use the same shape for the other leg like this. The size needs to be same. Keep it like this. It's fine if you are doing a little bit changes. When you are done, just stick it. All set. Now it's time to make the feet. For this I'm going to use the rounded shape, rounded square, and then make a shape and change the color of it. Once you are done, go back to the fill color, make it a light gray. In the line type, use the same color. Once you are done, just stick it, place it nicely. Okay, tick. Then you have to go back to the rounded square again, select it again, and then make another foot and then place it just next to the first one, and then the colors are just fine. Okay, here we go. All set, tick it, and then look at this. The structure is ready. Now let's do the ears. For the ears, I'm going to use the rounded one again, but you can't make the ears like this. So I can't find another shape. Let's go with this and then make the ears a kind of like this and then change the color to a darker one, dark gray, and same for the line type, dark gray. Once you are set, just put it next to your face and make it a little smaller. Keep it in the boundary of the face. Tick. Then another one. This is the most suitable shape for the ears. I know that it is not same like the robot, but it's fine. We can just do a little changes, depends upon the shapes available. Okay, here we go. The next ear is ready. Just stick it if you are done. Look at this. I'm all set. Now it's time to make the arms. For that, I'm using the curve and make one curve here like this. And just go and choose a color black. Tick it. Use another curve and go to the next side. Draw another curve. When you are drawing the other curve, you see that it is not appropriate. So you have to rotate it one time and then two times. Then you will see that now the arms are just same. So yes, put it at the right place. Try to make it equally. Both of them needs to be similar. Both arms done. Tick it once you are done with your arms. Now let's make hands. For hands, it's up to you. I'm just going to change a little bit of this hand and I'll keep it like this. I can't make the same arms, so I'm just going to do like this. That's it. Then put it at the bottom of your arm. Done. Other one, use the curve, make the other hand, and then just make a curve and click it. Click the square, just drag it at the top from the top. When you drag it from the top, you will see the changes in the curve. Now here we go, fix it at the bottom of your arm. Tick it once you are done. All set with the arms. Now it's time to make the two circles, two signals on the head. For that, I'm going to use my line. Okay, one line is here, a small line, and change the color to green. And once you are done, just stick it, use another line, make it next to the previous line like this, make it short, tick it. Once you are done, now it's time to make the circles here. For this, I'm going to use the brushes and increase the thickness so that the circle will be bigger. Use the same color, the green color for the signal and click it here. If you feel like the circles are small, you can increase the thickness like this. Just increase it a bit and then draw it at the same place. Look at this. So my signals are done. Now it's time to make the face. Sorry, the eye. For eyes, I'm going to the circle here and I will make two circles. Look at this. My outer side needs to be yellow. So go to line type and make it yellow like this. It's up to you. You want yellow or you want orange. Orange will be more similar. Just stick it once you are done and then select another circle, make another eye for your robot. Try to make the size same and then just put it next to each other. Done. Tick it once you are done. Now it's time to make small white dots inside the eye. For that, go to the brushes. Use the white color. Use the marker. Shorten the thickness and just make a small dot like this. One is here and one is here. And if you feel that the dot is a little smaller, so just increase the thickness a little bit and just put the dot at the same place again. Okay, so here we go. I'm just putting it at the right place. One here and one here. The eyes are all set. Now go back to the curve. Make a nice curve for the smile. Once you make it, you feel like it is sad. So you have to rotate it two times and then it will be smiling. Look at this. So the face is done. Let's make the body. The last thing. For this, I'm using the rounded corner shape, rounded square. Make it here and then change the color. I need it gray for both of line type and fill. Use the gray, the same one. And then once you are done, just put it at the right place. Once you are done, just click it anywhere. Then there are some lines inside. For that, I will go with this Same. I think this will be fine. Just try to make the small lines. And once you change the color, then it will be visible to you. So let's make it, maybe black will look good, or yes, we can go with the black lines. It's up to you. You can find your favorite color or whatever you like. I'm making the black lines inside. One line is done. Go back to the same thing again. Make another line just down the previous line. Try to keep the width same. Take it once you are done. The width is not same, so I'm going to undo it and redraw it. You can also copy paste these shapes, Control C and Control V for that. Take it once you are done. Then I'm going to make another line that will be a little shorter than the previous ones. This is up to you what design you want. So here we go, just shorten the thickness of the line. Once you are done, just stick it. So the inner lines are all set. Now there are 3 dots to be made over here. For this, I'm going to my brushes and I will increase the thickness of the brushes. Let's see how does 50 goes. Make the thickness 50 and then use the orange color first. Make a dot for orange color. This looks nice, but I will just increase a little bit of thickness more. 56. I will undo the previous dot and let's make another dot. This looks nice. Then I will select a green color. Make another dot in the middle. Green. And the last one is your red dot. Make a red dot over here. Wow, my robot is all set. It is just similar to the one that I showed you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned, stay connected for more fun videos on Paint 3D. See you in the next one. Bye bye.